Hello guys, welcome to ITversity. Formatting documents can sometimes feel tedious, especially when you need to maintain consistency across multiple sections. Today, I'll show you how to master the Format Painter in Google Docs, which can make your formatting tasks super efficient. Let's dive in. As you can see, I have received a document that I need to change the formatting, which looks inconsistent. Now we need to change the format where it looks consistent. So what I will do is, I will select the text which should be in the desired format and select this icon which looks like a paint roller. This is nothing but the Format Painter in Google Docs. Select this and place the text where you want to change the formatting. I will select the whole document, and as soon as you release, magic happens. See how you can change font style, color, everything in just one click. Like this, you can change the format of the text consistently. It is a quick way to maintain consistency across your document, whether for headings, bullet points, and entire paragraphs. Mastering Format Painter in Google Docs can save your time and ensure your documents are clean, consistent, and professional. Try this tip out today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more productivity hacks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.